Can Mohamed Adnan take this very precious scalp? And he comes. It's pitched up, it's in the air, but that's going to clear any fielder on the boundary. Ginna, Lamba, Shaka, that's nice. It's gone high, high up in the air. It's probably going to go all the way over for 6 runs. It does indeed. That's a new one for me. I know about gold dust. Of course, in this series, a lot of golden balls, but Goldilocks, well, that's another one. Well, that's a golden shot. 6 runs anyway. Suresh comes in. Good ball right up there, but it's going to split this field. It's 4 runs. It wasn't a bad ball. The shot was even better all along the deck, and well, it races away. We've already said on this outfield, it wasn't a bad ball at all, but a man who's seen the ball really well. He's in form. Well, that's so cruel for the bowler. Should have had a wicket. The batsman crossed, and the next ball has been sent into the vegetable patch, the other side of this ground. Big hit. Shouts of catch it, and it's gone all the way over. Balle, balle, balle. And for me, looking at it, that was 6 runs. I think he was touching the rope. Confer with anybody, but we'll see this again. We've got the advantage. Remember, the umpires cannot use any of these replays. We have a look at his feet. He's gone. Yeah, that for me is 6 runs.
Yeah. Very much well and truly alive. Pivotal game in Pool B. As Haque goes again, and Haque gets his 6th of the innings. Does he get to the milestone in style? Oh, you bet he does. Rocks back, stylish little cut, showing he's got the touch play as well as the power. A risk-free shot.
Pressure is then going on to Bernice here. Oh, he's creamed that. Big shot. Ginna Badda Shaka. Well, that would take.
Well, that's in the half volley slot. Nazmul Haque's not going to miss out here. 6 number 8.
And there goes another one. Well, as they say here in Italy, questa enorme, that's massive, bel colpo, what a great shot.
And he whips that away, and that will do nicely for Venezia. A big, big win for them. Superb stuff from Nazmul Haque. Gets it away through square leg, and he has 77 of just 32 balls as the run chase is complete.